Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got the iPad Pro. This is my first iPad. I'm really excited about this. So let's get it unboxed. There it is, out of that box. So it looks really nice. I'll show you the specs on it. It's the 11-inch, 128 gigabytes of Wi-Fi, 3rd gen, and it does have M1 in it. So it's really powerful. Here's the pull tab. Move that out. And then there it is. That's the 11-inch Space Gray iPad Pro. There it is. I'll get that set up soon. In here, got some manuals, should be some Apple stickers. We got 2 Apple stickers, 20-watt charger for the iPad, wrapped in paper, very nice. And then 1 meter USB-C charging cable. So yeah guys, that was the unboxing of the 2021 iPad Pro. Leave your thoughts below and thank you for watching.